Good morning, children. Welcome to your maths session class, and today we are going to learn exercise under number system, exercise 1.4. Last session you have a brief detailed note about estimation of a numbers. Ma'am could have explained about you everything, how to estimate and how to round off the numbers. You could have seen some more examples based on estimation of a sum and difference, estimation of product and quotient also. Now let us move on today to exercise 1.1. So the first one, fill in the blanks. You have 3 fill-ups and true or false you just write off to you by yourself, you try it off. And now let us move on to the exercise 1.4. Sum number 3, you have round off the following to the nearest place. And you have fourth question, you have to estimate the sum of values, estimation rounding of the addition, and 6. Totally you have 6 problems in this exercise. Let us move on to the problem, children. Yes, let us move on to the problem now. Exercise 1.4, first room letter, fill in the blanks. What is your first question, children? The nearest 100 of 843 is. Now let us move on to the answer. Listen, children, 843. In the ones place you have 3, and in the tens place you have 4, and in the 100 place you have the number 8. So now they ask you to round off which one now? 100, nearest to 100. So how to do the nearest now? You have to see the right to the next number, that is in the tens place what number is present. You have number 4. The 4 is less than 5. So the 100 place remains as it is. So your answer is now 800. Have you understood, children? Yes. Now let us move on to the second one. The nearest 10,000 of 85,654 is. Now let us see the answer, children. So in the ones place you have 4, and in the tens place 5, and in 100 place 6, and in 1000 place 5, and 10,000 place it is 8. So they ask you to nearest the 10,000 place. So in the 1000 place what is the number present? 5. So 5 is equal to 5. So you have to add one number in the 10,000 place. So your answer is now 90,000. Very good, children. Now let us move on to the third one. The nearest 1000 of 756 is. Nearest 1000 of 756. See, children, you have in the ones place 6, tens place 5, and in 100 place 7. But in 1000 place you don't have any other number, but you have to concentrate only on the hundreds place. What is the number present in 100 place? 7. So 7 is greater than 5. So you can take the nearest 756. What is the number? 1000. So you can write directly 1000. Now let us move on to the problem number 3. So true or false, you try it by yourself. Okay, children. Now third sum. Round off to the following to the given nearest place. So they had given for each problem the nearest place. So the given number you have to bring it to the nearest place. Okay, children. Now first one is in 4065. Now within the bracket it is given 100. That means what? You have to round off this number to the 100. Nearest 100 you have to round off. Now listen to the solution. Answer. In the ones place you have 5, in the tens place you have 6, and in the 100 place you have 0, and in 1000 place you have 4. So they ask you to round off what now? 100. So in the tens place what do you have the number? 6. So in the right side you have 6. The 6 is greater than 5. So you have to add 1 to the 100 place. So what will you get now? 4,100. Sorry children, you will be getting 4,100. Shall we move on to the second subdivision? Yes, 44,555. So you have to bring it to the thousand place. So listen to the answer children. In ones place you have 5, tens place 5, and 100 place 5, and in thousands place you have 4, 10,000 place you have 4. But nearest after to the right side of the thousand, what you have? 100, 100 place you have number 5. 5 is equal to 5. So you have to add 1. So your answer is 45,000. Now next third subdivision 50 lakhs 81,739. So you have to bring it to the round up to the lakh. So in ones place 9, tens place 3, 100 place 7, 1000 place 1, 10,000 place 8, and lakh place 0. 10 lakh place you have 5. So you have to bring it round up to the lakh place. So in the 10,000 place you have 8. So 8 is greater than 5. So you have to add 1. So you will be getting 51 lakhs you will get. Okay children. Now problem number 4. Listen to the question carefully children. Estimate the sum of 1,57,826 and 32,469. Round off to the nearest 10,000. First, what is the meaning of sum children? Plus. That means you have to add both the number. Difference means what? Subtraction. But now in this question they asked you to find the estimate the sum. So sum means what you have to do? You have to add the number. And they ask you to round off to the nearest what? 10,000. Okay children. Now let us move on to the solution now. See first one 1,57,826. So you have to round off to the what place? 10,000 place. So in the ones place 6, tens place 2, 100 place 8, and 1000 place 7. 10,000 place what do you have now? 5, and in the lakh place 1. Now nearest to the 10,000 place. So the 1,57,826 is rounded up to 1,60,000. Okay children. Now let us move on to the second thing, that is the 32,469, which is rounded up to 30,000. Now already I explained to you, they asked you to estimate the sum. What is the meaning of sum? Addition. So we have to add. So 1,60,000 added with 30,000. So your final answer will be 1,90,000. Have you all clear children? I hope that you are all clear. Shall we move on to the next problem? Yes. Now problem number 5. Estimate by rounding off each number to the nearest 100. So the first problem is 8,074 plus 4,178. Step 1. 8,074. The same rule what we have followed before, the same thing we are going to apply here also. In the ones place you have 4, and in the tens place you have 7, 100 place 0, and 1000 place you have 8. So round off that. In tens place what you have? 7. 7 is greater than 5. So you have to add 1 in the 100 place. So your answer is now 8,100. Now what is your next one? 4,178. In ones place you have 8, tens place you have 7, and 100 place you have 1, and 1000 place 4. So now you have to round off this one. So in the tens place what you have? 7. 7 is greater than 5. So you have to add 1 to the 100 place. So you will be getting 4,200. Now you have to add. You have to add both the number, that is 8,100 plus 4,200. So on total you will be getting the final answer 12,300. Is it all clear children? Yes. Shall we move on to the next problem? Yes. Problem number 6. This is your last problem in this exercise. Listen carefully children. The population of a city was 43,43,647 in the year 2001 and 46,81,087 in the year 2011. Estimate the increase in population by rounding off to the nearest 1,000. So increase in the population. So what you have to do? Automatically you have to add both. You have to do it and see. Let us move on to the answer problem. Population in the year 2011 is 46,81,000. and population in the year 2001 is 43 lakhs 43,647. So automatically you have to do what? Subtraction. So to found the increase in the year 2011, how much the population we have to find. So we have to subtract both the population. So now rounding of the nearest thousand. Let us round up the population first of all to the nearest thousand place, because in the question already it is given estimate the increase in population by rounding off to the nearest thousand. So let us round up the given question. Okay children. Now population in the year 2011. So 46 lakhs 81,000 will come. You have already 46 lakh 81,087. We are rounding off to the nearest thousand. So 46 lakhs 81,000 you will get. Now population in the year 2001 you will be getting 43 lakh 44,000. Already in the 2001 what do you have? 43 lakh 43,647. Now we are rounding off to this 43 lakh 44,000. Now we have to subtract both. So your answer is 3 lakh 37,000. So therefore increase in population is 3 lakh 37,000. Okay children. So now the class is over. Now next session we will see move on to the next exercise. Thank you children.